Be blessed by the divine. Meditation training modifies subsystems of attention. Scientists investigated the hypothesis that meditation training may alter or enhance specific aspects of attention. They examined 3 functionally and neuroanatomically distinct but overlapping attentional subsystems: alerting, orienting, and conflict monitoring. Functioning of each subsystem was indexed by performance on the attention network test. 2 types of meditation training programs were examined, and behavioral testing was conducted on participants before and after training. One training group consisted of individuals naive to meditation techniques who participated in an 8-week meditation-based stress reduction course that emphasized the development of concentrative meditation skills. The other training group consisted of individuals experienced in concentrative meditation techniques who participated in a 1-month intensive meditation retreat. Performance of these groups was compared with that of control participants who were meditation naive and received no training. Before training, the participants in the retreat group demonstrated improved conflict monitoring performance relative to those in the MBSR and control groups. After training, the participants in the MBSR course demonstrated significantly improved orienting in comparison with the control and retreat participants. In contrast, the participants in the retreat group demonstrated altered performance on the alerting component with improvements in exogenous stimulus detection in comparison with the control and MBSR participants. The groups did not differ in conflict monitoring performance after training. These results suggest that meditation training may improve attention-related behavioral responses by enhancing functioning of specific subcomponents of attention. Whereas participation in the MBSR course improved the ability to endogenously orient attention, retreat participation appeared to allow for the development and emergence of receptive attentional skills, which improved exogenous alerting-related processes. Be blessed by the divine.